Okay, so video here on the 2022 mock exams from one company. So question A1, so we have a woman wearing the sun hat. Okay, the drawing on the right, it shows the axis A to A1 and the focus of a similar parabola. Locate the position of the vertex and draw a portion of the parabola. Right, so for a parabola, the line of eccentricity is always at 45 degrees. So I'm going to line my set square up here with the axis, and I'm going to draw a line at 45 degrees, okay, from the origin. Now, then I'm going to go back at 45 degrees, okay, from the focus until it hits the line of eccentricity. So the 45 degree line I drew there from the origin was the line of eccentricity. Now once that hits then the line of eccentricity, I'm going to go parallel to my directrix, and that's my vertex there. Okay, now I'm going to start picking points along the major axis. So 10, 20, 30. Now, they don't have to be every 10 apart, it's just a simple number to use. And then I'm going to pick a point there halfway between, okay, the vertex and focus, because if you don't do that you can lose up to 4 marks. Now I'm then going to draw lines in, alright, parallel to the directrix, so they're my ordinates, until I hit the line of eccentricity, until I hit the line of eccentricity. So I'm going to hit one there, and this guy I'm about to draw in here now is going to be called the Latus Rectum. So running through F, this is the Latus Rectum. Okay, and this is a key line on the drawing. Okay, now so we're going to draw in our ordinates. And then where they hit the line of eccentricity, we're going to bring them back perpendicular to the ordinate, so basically parallel to the directrix, until they hit the Latus Rectum, which is this line here. Now, once they hit the Latus Rectum, we're going to get our compass, and we're going to put our compass on F, okay, and we're going to rotate the points back on to the ordinate they came from. I forgot to put them around, but then we can swing these onto the opposite side. So I forgot to do one there, I'll put it back in. And then where the Latus Rectum hits the line of eccentricity, that's a point on the parabola. And then I have this one to do. It's another one I forgot to put in, so I'll put them in now. Now here's the points on the parabola, so I'll sketch in half of it and then I will complete it then. So there's the parabola, and then I have the other half to do, which I'm going to walk around my desk to the other side. Okay, I'm going to have to stop and improve that because that's quite poor. So I take the vision right. The last part is to draw a point on the curve which is 50 millimeters away, and there's a tangent, okay, to the curve. Alright, so I'm going to draw a line, mark 50 along it, and it's 50 from the directrix, right? So sorry, I'm going to mark 50 along the axis here, and I'm going to draw a line parallel to the directrix. That's one way of getting it. Or you could do is set your compass to 50, which I was actually going to do, and that was what I was thinking, and then I seen directrix, and then also swing from the focus. And mine is a tad off. It shouldn't be though. They should be right. They should be at the same spot. Okay, so I'm gone off like by a mil. They should be at the same spot because PF to PD is equal. Now we're going to join the point back to the focus, and then we're going to draw a line at 90 degrees to line P to F from the focus, and where it hits the directrix we're going to join back to point P. That's our tangent, and we're going to draw in our normal. That'll be our tangent, and that's our normal.